Got another one. Whoa, that's a better quality that the last 5 I probably caught were. That's almost a Gary. Man, maybe not quite a Gary. Still not worth taking a picture of and putting it on Instagram or Facebook or uploading it to the World Wide Web in any sort. Let's just get back on out there and see if we can catch another. You might be able to tell I'm sitting down, fishing and fishing and fishing with not big results. It's kind of wearing me out. Might need a Red Bull. Why is that tree looking at me? No, it is. Look. Look at that tree over there. See the eyes, the 2 round things? See it? It's looking at me. Something's wrong. Oh my goodness. You guys ever feel like someone's watching you? They are. It's me. I'm in the woods. It's Groot. Look, I just saw Groot's face. Look up. See right there? The left side. See the eye? And the nose is a lighter colored thing below the knot on the left. And then the mouth is below that. See it? That is Groot's face. You guys wondered what happened to Groot after Guardians of the Galaxy, whatever we're on now? Or the Avengers? That's what happened to him. He's down at the old honey hole. That does look a lot like Groot. I'm getting a picture of that. Don't laugh at me.
You can't take pictures of fish. You gotta get it in when you can.
Yeah, might as well. I should take a selfie with it. If I can zoom in on it. Hi, Groot. How you doing, buddy? I'll take a selfie with it. That's Groot. Where's it at? Where's it at? Where's it at? That's Groot. That's Groot. It's Groot. Whatever. Let me get closer. That is too Groot. Do you guys see it? Look, see? I can't tell where I'm pointing. But that for sure is Groot's head. And that may be the rest of his body. Oh, I'm still taking pictures of my legs. Like, what does that pic of? I have no idea. You ever get those pics? Like, where'd that one come from? What is that my leg? Whoa, shit, I missed it.
See that fella? He's a jumper, huh?
I'm over here jacking around. Emily is still fishing. She got a nice one. Jumped out of the water. It was beautiful. You guys missed it because I'm a retard, but can I say that? I can't say that word probably. To edit that one out too. Oh, you found my new worms I just bought.
Yeah, thanks.
I forgot about those.
They're the same ones that you...
No.
Yeah, the ones with the pintail that I had. Kind of.
Right, I happen to be at Walmart.
These not really been caught a whole lot.
No. Nice bass. I know we're going to need pictures of that one.